Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, northern Blaine County in northwestern Oklahoma, southeastern Major County in northwestern Oklahoma until 2:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:39 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles north of Watonga, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expects considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Watonga, Okeen, Hitchcock, and Loyal. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.